Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick fall decorate with me. I'm not doing too much this year. I'm just reusing what I already have. So these two fall orange wreaths I've had for a couple years. So I just like to hang these two. As you can see, they're slightly different because I didn't buy them at the same time. But yeah, just add that little touch to the front door. I love doing this, and I have two more that I'm going to be switching out for Christmas, but right now this will go all the way up to Thanksgiving. Now we're moving on the inside. I'm not doing too much to my living room. As you can see, I'm just fixing my pillows. I'm using these beige, is it beige or cream colored pillows? I just have this one that says it's fall, y'all. I just take that out every year. Fixing those pillows, making sure they're nice and fluffed. So yeah, I'm not doing too much. I'm gonna go on my coffee table, just gonna rearrange my books and stuff on this table. I was trying to do a little design, but it wasn't really working out. So yeah, just putting everything back, and I'm also gonna be switching out my candles. As you can see, I am obsessed with Forever Mood candles. So I'm just switching out the spring ones and putting one of her fall ones from last year. And I have this pillow that has a bunch of fall sayings, fluffing that one and putting it on the other side. As you can see, it is football Sunday while I'm doing this. So yeah. So I'm just gonna use this little garland on top of my fireplace. I don't have a, what is it called? Mantle. That's what I'm trying to remember. I do not have a fireplace mantle, but that's okay. I'm just gonna lay this on top of the fireplace because this fireplace is more of just decoration. I don't get heat out the top. I can, but I don't care for it. Just wanting for the pretty lights and the mood. So yeah, I'm just putting that garland along with two small little pumpkins, and that is it for my fireplace. It's pretty simple, pretty nice, but still a touch of fall. So next I'm gonna move over to this little side table that I have over here, just removing the spring colored flowers, and I'm gonna replace it with this fall color flower set that I got from Hobby Lobby, I believe. And yeah, I'm just gonna switch that out real quick, real easy, real simple. I added a little frame that says happy fall, and as you can see, I just have my real plants there as well. And yeah, add a little pumpkin to it, and there you go, got a little fall section right there. So next, I'm gonna be changing these curtains. I've had these gray and white curtains up for a really long time. I finally went on Amazon and found these like linen type material, still sheer, still light, creamy color. But I like it that way because then when I open the blinds and the windows in the morning, then I get that nice natural light in. So yeah, I'm just gonna switch these out, and these were super affordable on Amazon and really good quality. They're nice and soft and look expensive. So just gonna change these out real quick just to give a nice fresh updated look. For my dining table, I'm not going to do too much. I'm going to keep it simple. I usually do a full like setup, holiday setup, but I'm not going to do it this time. So just going to take everything off, give it a good clean down. And I'm only going to do a center decoration. Just going to start with this pumpkin tablecloth I've had for a while. I probably got it at Hobby Lobby as well, or Ross or something. It's a little bit too long, so that's why you see I try to kind of fold it in the middle. It's kind of bootleg, but it works. And then this bowl I got at at home last year, and it's such a perfect like table centerpiece. I picked up this fall set. What do you call these? I found this at Burlington. I was gonna put it with that blush color that it had inside, but then with that tablecloth it wouldn't go with it. It's gonna take out all the neutral pieces and put in that bowl, and it did have a couple of mini pumpkins in there, so that works really good. And I'm just gonna keep that simple, but I am gonna add a couple other pieces to the table as well. Alright, you guys, so I have a couple extra things I want to add to the table. First is these glass jars. These are year-round on the table. I usually just switch out the candles. Yeah, I'm gonna add these two beige pumpkins as well. I got these at Hobby Lobby maybe 2 years ago, and they go really well with the neutral tones that I'm trying to have on the dining room table. As you can see, I tried to add the candles, but they're a little bit like, you know, lean. So I went ahead and grabbed these other little fall decorations that I had so I can put those at the bottom. And I just kind of played around with it until the candle sat really well on top. So this is not really part of the fall decoration, but I figured I'll just show you guys me refilling my candy bowl. I like to go to Dollar Tree and get these caramel candy and these mints. I like to just grab a few of them for work. And yeah, I just figured I'll just show you guys my little candy bowl. Alright, so this, I'm just switching out another Forever Mood candle, the Spring Flings, and we're going to replace it with We Not Lincoln from Forever Mood. This is one of their fall scents from last year as well. So for the final touches, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys this candle that I got from Burlington. I forgot to show you guys. It is a pumpkin spice candle. I don't even know what the brand is, but it was only $7.99, and this candle smells so good. I was just looking for a fall scent because I have the Forever Mood candles, but I just figured I wanted like an extra candle, and for the price it was perfect. So yeah, I'm pretty much done cleaning and organizing, so I'm just gonna light this candle. And this candle is so good, I don't even have to light it. On some days, I just open the jar just to smell up the room without even lighting it. And that pretty much wraps up all of my decoration. And I love all the little fall touches that I added. It wasn't too much, but it's enough. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.